2016 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, ABS four-wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.